Here's how to make a link in WordPress. We're going to link the word agriculture. And I'm going to link to Wikipedia, the agriculture article. So I've highlighted this one word and this bar appears, and you'll see right here is a chain link. You click it, you paste in your link, and you have to click this arrow. Otherwise, you will not get a link and you will wonder what happened. And there we are. Now that is a link. Now, if you want to unlink it, you can click it again, and then right here, click there, and it's gone. Now, another way that you can make a link is even easier. You highlight the word, and I still have the link from agriculture on my clipboard where I copied it. You can simply paste, and it makes a link. Now, if you want to make a link out of an image, like this one, I'm going to link to the original source for this image. You click it, and you do the same thing. There's this link icon, and you paste that in there, and you hit the arrow, and there you are. So let's save this and take a look. There's our link to agriculture, and there's our link to that photo. And that's all there is to it. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.